Hey guys, I got some mail this week, or mostly yesterday. I got some mail. First of all, I got this cactus shirt. This is pretty awesome. It's from phonelosers.spreadshirt.com. It's the very first premium shirt I bought. Green Imp talked me into it. I'm gonna get lots of weird looks at 7-Eleven now, so yay for that. Somebody keeps sending me, they're having companies send me stickers, and I don't know why. It's kind of awesome though. It's just like random companies. King Off-Road Racing Shocks, and I don't give a shit about racing shocks, but these are awesome silver foil looking stickers, so that's kind of neat. But they're also giving me, let's see what this is, AEM stickers. There's several of them in here. And then there are, what is this? This is Rossignol Group, something out of Park City, Utah. And a bunch of Rossignol stickers. Look! Rossignol! Yeah, what the fuck's Rossignol? And then I got these here from Jackson Hole. It's what is that, Wyoming? I think, yeah, it's a place in Wyoming. And these are coming directly from the companies. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's like, it's coming from the company. Somebody's requesting these. There must be an online form or something. Oh yeah, In-N-Out Burger. And this is the one that kind of explained to me what's going on. That's kind of awesome, In-N-Out Burger stickers. But they actually sent me a letter. Dear Mr. Carter, thank you for taking the time to contact In-N-Out Burger's customer service department. Here at In-N-Out Burger, our customers are our most important asset, and we value your comments and your interest. Please find enclosed the stickers that you requested. So, yeah, somebody is contacting these companies and requesting stickers on my behalf. Thanks, whoever's doing that. What else do we have here? Got a big box here. Hey, People's Karma Squad, you sent me these keep hands off belt stickers, and I've been putting those to good use. I don't know if you saw that on my Instagram, but I'll post a picture of it right here. I've been putting them in Walmart on the belt rack. I think somebody suggested that, maybe on Instagram or on YouTube or something. Here is a box from Corbin guy. Here, let me scoot the camera up a little bit. And it's a big, heavy box. Probably filled with, I don't know, anthrax or something. You never can trust Corbin guy. Just kidding, Corbin guy. Alright, so we've got oh man, lots of stuff. Alright, we've got a pocket reference guide for what? Automotive trailer wiring, concrete, airports. What, this is just everything? It's like airport codes. Convert inch to foot to millimeter to drill number. Knots and bins, how to tie knots. What is this? Thermal expansion coefficients. This should be really useful. I'm going to carry this with me everywhere. Drill and cutting lubricants. Yeah, it's an Ace Hardware Pocket Reference Guide, new 3rd edition. Is there like an explanation? Oh look, this pocket reference guide belongs to, I put my name and my address, my phone number. Okay, thanks for this, Corbin guy. General gas laws and formulas. Okay, so we got a case of some sort. This is a cool case. I'm gonna start carrying it around. It's gonna be my purse. AM/FM SW12. It's a world band receiver. It's one of those ham radio things, I guess. I can. Is there like power in this? Nah, it's kind of light. I guess I need to put batteries in it. Whoa, what's this? It's got a weird battery thing in it. Oh, it's hand cranked. Does that give me radio? Come on, give me radio. I want to listen to SW2, damn it. Holy shit. That's pretty cool. I've never had one of these before. Like a hand-cranked one, I mean. Thanks, Corbin guy. I like the case more, though. I'm gonna use the case for things. It's a cool case. I'm gonna, like, carry it around like a purse. It's gonna be awesome. What's in here? Needs a power cord. Battery's wonky. Works fine. So I just have to, redo the, you know, put new batteries in it. The rechargeable ones. That's nice, Corbin. Oh man, what an awesome purse. Alright, we got some 3D glasses, a 3D color pad. That'd be awesome if my eyes didn't suck and I couldn't see in 3D. But maybe this will work for me. This is interesting. So I draw things. Give your notes and sketches a new dimension. Each color has a different depth. Just draw and view. That sounds kind of awesome. I wonder if I could draw on YouTube and you guys could wear 3D glasses and see all the crazy depth. Okay. Bible tracts incorporated for punk kids. For the word of God to all the world. And oh wow, this is a lot of Jesus stuff. That's, what the hell, Corbin guy? Oh, what's this? Charge it? And of course there's Bible verses or something on the back. Yep, that's exactly what it is. This is like something you'd leave at a payphone. I'm gonna go around and start leaving this shit at payphones all over Oregon. We've got the Martin Luther King High School Diploma of Graduation, and it's empty. How disappointing. Merry Christmas, Corbin! Merry Christmas to you, Corbin. This has got some sort of, I'm afraid to touch them. It's gonna be like radioactive or something. I've got springs and, I don't know, plastic bits, magnets maybe, Legos. I don't know. I'm sure those will come in handy at some point. We've got some, what, DVDs? Wow. Ollie G in the house. East side is the best. No, west side is the best. Land of the Dead. I've never even heard of that. I may actually watch that, Corbin guy. We've got the operating system for, yeah, Windows XP, including Service Pack 1A. Nice. And the Triangle. 2103, The Deadly Wake. Came out in 2011. Never heard of that one. That sounds hilarious. It looks like it will never play, but it sounds hilarious. A magnet skull thing. It looks like he would light up or something, but nope. It's just a magnet skull thing. I think I'll set it on my laptop here, right above the hard drive. Yeah, let's set it over here. Carhartt stickers. We've got Share Productions sticker. We've got this sticker. I think it's a sticker. Hey, look! Maybe it's Corbin guy sending me Rosignol stickers in the mail. Like, seriously, like, this is a bunch of weird random companies. Corbin guy, are you responsible for this? Or maybe somebody more in and out stickers? Yep, I think we found the culprit here. There's some Corbin guy art. There's looks like a homemade sticker. Cool. Go listen to China. Yep, okay. Go listen to China. And this is stickers, Firestone Building Products. This is a Firestone roofing system under warranty by Firestone Building Products. Damage to the roof systems may caused by negligence may void this building owner's warranty. We recommend the following precautions. I'm not going to read all that, but there are several of these. I'm gonna like put these over stop signs where it says stop. Instead it's gonna say important roof information. Yeah, that's what I'll do with those. It's gonna be great. Well, thanks, Corbin guy. This is interesting stuff. Yeah. That's great. I like all the stickers. You should tell me what's going on with these stickers. Why are we both getting these stickers? Who's doing this to us, Corbin guy? We need to get to the bottom of this. Yeah, I think that's all I have. Hey, I made a, this is another People's Karma Squad sticker, but I got this hard vinyl, I don't know, what would you call it? I don't know. It's a case, it's a zipper case, and this is going to be my mobile pranking kit. Like, usually I have to, like, just find all this random stuff and, you know, throw it into backpacks or pockets or whatever. But now I've got, like, my battery, I've got various microphones, telephone recording things, that's a sort of hidden wearable camera. My digital recorder, I always use that for things. Windscreen, various hookups for cell phone, microphone things. And I think this is going to come in really useful. I'm very excited about my mobile pranking kit. This wasn't mailed to me, I'm just showing it off, you know? Oh, it tells me what these are. Carbon brush spring assemblies for a 76, 89, 93, 94, or 98. Alright. That's good to know. I think I'm going to go put these, you know, run the Geiger counter on these. They look very suspicious to me. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone.